Welcome to my channel. My name is Louis Liu. I'm a New York lawyer. Today I'll be talking to you about what to do if your car insurance claim is denied. If you're watching this video, chances are that you recently have been involved in a car accident or otherwise submit an insurance claim and receive a letter saying that your claim has been denied. The first thing I want you to know is this. A claim denial is not always the final answer. Insurance companies make mistakes. Insurance company may actually have an incentive to test you, to deny your claim, to see whether you will persist or you will walk away. Insurance companies sometimes rely on incomplete or false information. Occasionally, they deny claims that should have been paid, as I just said, because that's in their best interest. Today, I want to explain some of the most common reasons automobile insurance claims are denied and what you can do about that denial. Before I begin, uh, the disclaimer. This video is for educational purpose only. I am a lawyer, but not your lawyer. You need to seek legal advice from your own lawyer. Reason number one, the insurance company says there was no coverage. This is one of the most frequent cited reasons for denial. The insurance company may claim that the policy had lapsed because premium were not paid or upgrade has not been effective. The company may argue that vehicle was not listed on the policy or whatever accident happened was not covered by the policy. Sometimes the insurance company is correct, sometimes it is not. Administrative errors occur. Premium payments may not have been properly posted or credited. Policy changes may not have been processed in a timely manner or correctly. If coverage is denied, do not simply accept the company's conclusion. Request a complete explanation in writing and a copy of all documents on which the denial is based. Reason number two, the insurance company claims you violate the policy. Insurance company contains many conditions and requirements. For example, the insurance company may argue that an accident was not reported in a timely manner. The insurance company may claim that you failed to cooperate with its investigation. In some cases, the insurance company may allege that important facts were omitted or misrepresented during the application process. Insurance company often use this argument to reduce or you deny your claim. Like once again, it's a business model, right? Collect the premium as much as they can, pay out as little as they can, right? Whether those arguments are legally valid depends on the specific facts and circumstances and the laws of your state. At the end of the day, your insurance policy is just a contract. Of course, it's subject to relevant rules and regulations and laws of insurance. Reason number three, the insurance company suspects fraud. That happens a lot. Insurance fraud is a serious problem, and insurance companies actively investigate suspicious fraud, right? As a result, sometimes legitimate claims become caught in the net. The insurance company may question how the accident happened. It may challenge the extent of the damage. It may suspect that loss was staged or exaggerated. If fraud is being alleged, take the situation seriously. Do not guess, do not speculate, do not make statements that could get yourself into worse position simply because you think you're right. You think that making this kind of statements may help you. Make sure the facts are accurate and consistent if you want to make factual representations to the insurance company. Reason number four, the insurance company says the damage is not covered. Many people are surprised to learn that not every type of loss is covered by every policy. For example, collision coverage, comprehensive coverage, rental reimbursement coverage, and uninsured motorist coverage are often separate coverage. You may or you may not have paid for them. The insurance company may agree an accident happened, but it still may argue that specific damage falls outside of the coverage that you have purchased. In those situations, the exact wording of a policy becomes extremely important because once again, a policy is a contract, and a contract will, involve interpretation issue. What the contract covers, what does the contract not cover, right? What should you do after your claims denied? If your claims denied, I recommend four steps. First, request the denial in writing if you have not already received the writing denial. Second, obtain a complete copy of your insurance policy. Third, gather all relevant documents, including photos, repair estimates, police reports, witness information, and communication with the insurance company. Fourth, consider consulting an attorney, especially if a claim involves a substantial property damage, personal injury, or a dispute coverage issue. A lawyer may review the policy language for you, investigate relevant facts. You need to be honest and truthful with your lawyer, and he or she will help determine whether the insurance company's position is legally justified, defendable, or not. A special word about recorded statements. Many insurance companies ask policyholders to provide record statement shortly after the accident. You need to be very careful. You should always tell the truth. However, people who have just been involved in accident are sometimes stressed, injured, and confused. An innocent mistake in a recorded statement can later be used against you. So before providing detailed statements in a dispute claim, make sure you understand your rights and your obligations and be careful with what you are about to say. Final thoughts. Insurance companies collect premium because they promise to provide protection when accident happens or repairs are otherwise required. Most claims are paid without significant problems, some are not. If your car insurance company denies your claim, do not assume they are right. Read the denial policy letter carefully, gather your documents, understand the reasons for denial, talk to a lawyer, and figure the critical factual and legal issues out. And if necessary, engage a lawyer to represent you, to negotiate, and if necessary, litigate. Thank you so much.